We're going to be walking through how to install these 3/8 inset cabinet hinges. And so I've got some cabinets here that we're going to be mounting up to the wall right here. And so the way this works is your cabinets, to be this type, are going to have this kind of like basically 3/8 inset like this thing. And so the way it works is they're going to sit in here like this. And then you can put these wherever you want. But for the sake of consistency, I'm going to put them where they were previously. And then the other thing to note is that when you're buying these hinges, they have ones that are called self-closing. If you look right in there, you can see there's a spring. And what self-closing means is that it holds itself shut. And the other type, the not self-closing type, doesn't have that. So this thing just swings. And what'll happen is stuff like that door right there will just kind of stay open. So the self-closing stuff is a little bit more expensive, but nicer in the sense that you don't have to install something else like a little pin to like kind of hold this thing shut. Anyway, we're going to walk through how to install this thing. Really straightforward. It's all just a bunch of 1/2" wood screws like this. And so you're just going to position it like that. And then we'll be drilling our pallet holes if you don't already have them. And you just want to make sure it's sitting nice in here like this. You're going to do 2 of them. I mean, you could do 3 if you really wanted, but 2 I think is kind of the minimum. Okay, now we're going to actually screw the hinge into the wall. Now that we've got it screwed into the cabinet door itself. And something to note is that is not sitting all the way flat. So when you're doing this, just to make sure it's flush against the wall like that.